Bucks Cake is tried to provide our customer with a decentralized finance infrastructure by providing decentralized, more open and commercially competitive blockchain system instead of the services historically offered by the centralized initiatives. The key emphasis of team is on transparency and securities. Initially, BKC token contract and SMART token will be tested by the finest audit firm. Second, team token. Contract tokens and advertisement token will be privately deposited in a smart contract with a limited expiry period. And thirdly, originally liquidity tokens will be locked on Uniswap and their address will be released to all the consumers. Ultra liquidity. Consumers are involved in the putting their tokens with the Uniswap liquidity provider. Credits from this tokens are being farmed. The proportion of such a commission shall be allocated according to an independent policy, such as a liquidity of a LP token, and shall be transformed into Ethereum BKC buyback. Any bought token of the BKC will be sent to the staker or farmer. Inflation proof. The BKC has a clear effect on each token. Anytime the BKC token is exchanged, the farmer are paid a small reward. This mechanism of work promoter planting and farming. The maximum number of BKC token is 4,50,000 and there never going to be any like them. Community control. BKC holder would be allowed to vote on a different plans as long since they have a share of a liquidity in the pools. The group can decide anything.